Have you ever wondered about the swirling storms of the colossal planet Jupiter? From the distant reaches of our solar system, Jupiter, the mysterious giant, beckons with its mesmerizing allure, a realm where the day is just shy of 10 hours and a year lasts nearly 12 Earth years. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is over 11 times the diameter of Earth, a behemoth compared to our humble home. Decked in bands of white, orange, brown and red, this massive gas giant is a sight to behold. Its vivid stripes are actually clouds of ammonia and water swirling in the planet's strong winds. And let's not forget the iconic Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter, with its 79 moons, is a mini solar system in itself, a world teeming with mystery and intrigue. But how did we come to know about this gas giant? Let's delve into the history. Our story begins in the ancient times, long before the invention of telescopes. Jupiter, this celestial body of intrigue, was a familiar sight to the astronomers from the bygone era. Its brilliance was clear even to the naked eye, a gleaming beacon amidst a sea of twinkling stars. The planet's commanding presence in the night sky did not go unnoticed. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Romans, held Jupiter in high regard, its significance deeply etched into their mythology and astrology. To the Romans, Jupiter was the king of the gods, a symbol of power and grandeur. The Greeks named it after their god Zeus, associating it with the highest authority in Olympus. And yet, for all its visibility and symbolic weight, the true nature of Jupiter remained shrouded in mystery. Its distant glow sparked curiosity, but it was unattainable, unreachable. The real quest to understand Jupiter began with the invention of the telescope. Galileo Galilei, the Italian astronomer, changed the way we looked at Jupiter. This statement rings true even after more than 4 centuries. It was the year 1610 when Galileo, with his newly improved telescope, first laid his eyes on Jupiter's 4 largest moons, forever changing our perception of this magnificent planet. These moons, now known as the Galilean moons, include Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each one is a world unto itself, with distinct characteristics and intriguing mysteries. Io, with its volcanic activity, Europa, suspected of having a subsurface ocean, Ganymede, the only moon known to have its magnetic field, and Callisto, with the oldest and most heavily cratered surface in the solar system. These moons not only added to Jupiter's allure, but also challenged the prevailing geocentric view of the universe. You see, until Galileo's discovery, the widely accepted view, largely influenced by ancient Greek philosophy and the teachings of the Catholic Church, was that Earth sat at the center of the universe, with all celestial bodies orbiting around it. This was known as the geocentric model. But the presence of these moons orbiting Jupiter and not Earth was a direct contradiction to this belief. Galileo's observations of Jupiter's moons were revolutionary, providing empirical evidence for the heliocentric model, which places the Sun at the center of the solar system. This was a paradigm-shifting realization that challenged the status quo, causing ripples of controversy and leading to a significant shift in our understanding of the universe. The discovery of the Galilean moons was just the beginning. Over the centuries, astronomers have continued to uncover Jupiter's secrets, each discovery peeling back a layer of the planet's complex and fascinating character. Galileo's discovery marked the beginning of a new era in our understanding of Jupiter and the solar system. And as we continue to unravel the mysteries of this gas giant, we stand on the shoulders of this Italian astronomer whose vision and courage changed our perception of the universe forever. As technology advanced, so did our understanding of Jupiter. Let's step into the late 20th century when the Pioneer and Voyager missions to Jupiter were launched. These were some of the earliest missions to the outer planets, and they revolutionized our understanding of the Jovian system. Pioneer 10 and 11, launched in the early 70s, were the Pathfinders. They were the first spacecraft to venture beyond the asteroid belt and provide up-close images of Jupiter. Pioneer 11 even discovered a new ring around the planet, a faint ring system composed mostly of tiny dust particles. This was a surprising find, as until then, rings were solely associated with Saturn, but it was the Voyager missions, Voyager 1 and 2, that truly stole the show. Launched in the late 70s, these spacecraft took advantage of a rare planetary alignment to visit all the outer planets. Their visit to Jupiter gave us the first detailed images of the planet and its moons. Here's a fascinating fact. Voyager 1 detected lightning on Jupiter, making it the first time we'd observed weather phenomena on another planet. But that's not all. The Voyagers discovered that Jupiter was not just a giant ball of gas, but had a complex, layered atmosphere with swirling storms and winds that reached up to 400 miles per hour. One of the most significant findings was the observation of Jupiter's intense radiation fields. These fields, much stronger than initially expected, posed a significant challenge for spacecraft visiting the planet. Understanding these radiation fields is crucial for planning future missions and ensuring the safety of the spacecraft. But the Voyager missions didn't just observe Jupiter, they discovered new moons, took measurements of the magnetosphere, and provided insights into the planet's chemical composition. In essence, they reshaped our understanding of Jupiter. These missions provided us with a wealth of information, but they barely scratched the surface. Yes, there's still so much to explore, to discover. The mysteries of Jupiter continue to captivate us, driving our curiosity and our desire to venture further into the cosmos. Enter Juno, NASA's most ambitious mission to Jupiter. Launched in the summer of 2011, the Juno spacecraft embarked on an epic journey, traveling millions of miles through the vast expanse of space. This mission was not just about reaching Jupiter, but discovering what lies beneath its swirling clouds and understanding the planet's origins. Juno was designed with a suite of scientific instruments, each with a specific purpose. One of the primary objectives was to study Jupiter's composition. What exactly is this giant planet made of? To answer this, Juno's microwave radiometer was put to use, peering beneath the planet's dense cloud cover to reveal its true structure. Juno also set out to investigate Jupiter's gravity field. This was no simple task. The spacecraft had to endure harsh radiation and extreme conditions to gather data, but the efforts paid off. The gravity science experiment has provided valuable insights into the planet's interior structure, revealing astonishing details about its core. Next on the list was Jupiter's magnetic field. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest structure in our solar system, and Juno's magnetometer was designed to study this colossal feature. The findings? Jupiter's magnetic field is even more complex than we thought, with an irregular shape and significant local variations. And let's not forget the polar magnetosphere. Juno's unique polar orbit allowed it to capture stunning images of Jupiter's poles for the first time. The images revealed bright cyclone-like storms, providing a glimpse into the planet's dynamic weather systems. With every orbit, Juno continues to gather data, adding to our knowledge of this gas giant. The mission has already challenged many of our preconceived notions about Jupiter. For instance, it turns out that Jupiter's core is fuzzy, a feature that contradicts our earlier models. Juno continues to unravel the mysteries of Jupiter, reshaping our understanding of the gas giant. The spacecraft's mission has been extended till September 2025, promising even more revelations about this fascinating planet. So, the journey of discovery is far from over. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the Juno mission. In the quest to understand Jupiter, every day brings something new. The largest planet in our solar system, with its massive magnetic field and intriguing possibility of a solid core, continues to amaze us. Let's start with the latest findings about Jupiter's magnetic field. Unlike Earth's, Jupiter's magnetic field is not aligned with its rotational axis. This creates a unique magnetic field with a tilt of about 10 degrees. This tilt, combined with the planet's rapid rotation, a day on Jupiter lasts just under 10 hours, creates a magnetic field that is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Now that's something to think about. Furthermore, there's been a breakthrough in our understanding of Jupiter's core. While it was previously believed that Jupiter might have a small solid core, recent studies suggest otherwise. These studies suggest that Jupiter may have a dilute core made up of heavy elements mixed with hydrogen and helium. This dilute core might extend up to half the radius of the planet, giving us a whole new perspective on what lies beneath Jupiter's turbulent clouds. But the pursuit of knowledge about this giant planet doesn't stop here. scientists are already planning future missions to Jupiter. One such mission is the proposed Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JUICE for short, planned for launch in the late 2020s. This mission aims to explore Jupiter's icy moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa, which are believed to harbor subsurface oceans. Another exciting mission is NASA's planned Europa Clipper mission, which aims to conduct detailed reconnaissance of Jupiter's moon Europa's ice shell and subsurface ocean. These missions will not only enhance our understanding of Jupiter, but also have the potential to answer the age-old question, is there life beyond Earth? As we continue to explore Jupiter, who knows what surprises this giant planet has in store for us? From a bright spot in the night sky to a world full of mysteries, Jupiter has come a long way. We've journeyed through time, exploring its discovery, Galileo's revelations, modern observations, and the groundbreaking Juno mission. We've delved into its swirling storms, immense magnetic field, and its enigmatic moons. Each chapter of Jupiter's story brings us closer to understanding not just this gas giant, but also our place in the cosmos. The importance of continued space exploration cannot be overstated. Every mission, every observation, and every discovery fuels our quest for knowledge and quenches our thirst for understanding the universe. Space is a vast, uncharted territory, and Jupiter, a beacon in the night sky, serves as a constant reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world. As we gaze at the night sky, we are reminded that Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.